So picture this, right? It's 2026. You've had like just the longest day, and you get home, and
You want to relax.
exactly. But instead of pouring yourself a drink, get this, there's Optimus, Tesla's robot,
Oh, this is the part where it gets good.
mixing you a cocktail.
Huh?
And I don't mean just grabbing a beer from the fridge. I mean actually mixing a cocktail. Sounds kind of crazy.
Well, sounds like science fiction, that's for sure.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
But that's what Elon Musk says he's aiming for with this thing. Like internal use at Tesla by next year, and then get this, businesses could be buying these things by 2026.
Wow, that's an incredibly ambitious timeline, especially thinking about where, humanoid robots are right now. I mean, this isn't just some robot arm welding car parts.
Right.
We're talking, what, grocery runs, watering plants, things that need, like, a really sophisticated understanding of how the world works,
Yeah, not just like pre-programmed movements.
Right.
It seems like Musk is saying Optimus will have a level of, I don't even know, awareness or like judgment.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what makes this whole thing so fascinating. Take, for example, watering plants.
Yeah.
Seems simple enough for us, right? But for a robot, it has to be able to recognize what different types of plants, right? Understand how much water they need. Even notice something like wilting leaves and realizing, oh, that's a problem. That's a huge jump from the robots we've got right now.
Yeah.
So is Musk being a little too optimistic, you think? Or is he onto something big, something that maybe the rest of us are missing?
It's a good question. And it's not like he's downplaying how big this could be either. He said Optimus is going to be more valuable than Tesla's entire production line. Now I need a robot that can make me that kind of money.
Well, let's break that down a bit. What Musk is basically saying is that because Optimus is so versatile, it's supposed to be able to adapt to different tasks, different environments,
Yeah.
that could be more valuable than even their, hyper-specialized car-building robots.
Okay. Yeah, I get it.
If Optimus can build cars, but then also do things like assemble furniture or stock shelves, who even knows what else?
Right.
Right.
That kind of flexibility could totally revolutionize tons of industries.
Right.
But the question is, how realistic is that really? If we look at where robotics is at right now.
Well, and it's worth pointing out, we've actually seen Optimus.
Yeah.
They've shown upgrades even since last year. It walks faster, its hands are better. There are even tactile sensors now.
Ah, yes, the tactile sensors. Those are huge. Literally,
Yeah.
I mean, not literally huge, but a huge development. They let Optimus sense,
Okay.
force and pressure. So it's the difference between like crushing a tomato and gently picking it up.
Right.
It basically gives the robot a sense of touch,
Which is
which is essential if you're going to interact with the real world.
totally. And this is where Tesla's whole thing with AI comes in, right?
Exactly. And this is what we need to understand if we're going to understand Optimus, because this isn't just about a robot with like really good mechanics.
Yeah.
They're taking the AI from their self-driving cars, all that visual processing, decision-making, navigating through unpredictable situations,
And putting it into Optimus. So we're not talking about pre-programmed routines here. This is a robot that's learning, adapting based on its experiences, just like we do.
So it's like a robot that could learn to do anything. I mean,
Yeah.
that's kind of incredible, but also, I don't know, a little scary.
Oh, absolutely. Because even if Optimus is half as capable as Tesla says it'll be, well, brings up some big questions, right? Like, how's this going to change jobs, especially in manufacturing and, really labor-intensive jobs?
Yeah.
And what about the ethical side of all this? Having robots that can operate in our homes, in our workplaces, these aren't easy questions to answer, but they're things we need to start thinking about now before this technology is just everywhere.
It's true. This isn't just about, the Jetsons and robots bringing us snacks anymore. It's about the future of work, our relationship with machines. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a lot.
It really is. And really, it comes down to this. Can Tesla actually pull this off?
Yeah.
Can they build a robot that's not just a cool gadget, but like a truly useful part of our world? I guess only time will tell.
Yeah.
But I'll say this. The future of robotics just got a lot more interesting.
I think that's a good place to leave it.